In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in Zoom. If you've ever used Zoom on a shared or public computer, or you simply want to switch to another account, signing out is the safest way to protect your privacy. It's quick, it's simple, and it looks very similar whether you're using the desktop app or Zoom in a web browser. Start by opening Zoom and looking to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see your profile, which appears as a small circle with your photo or your initials. That icon is your gateway to account controls and settings. Click it to open a drop-down menu. If you don't immediately see your profile, try maximizing the window or widening it. On smaller screens, the profile area can be tucked to the side. Also, make sure you're actually signed in first. If you aren't, the profile icon won't be visible. With the menu open, find the option labeled Sign Out and click it. Zoom will close your active session and bring you back to the sign-in screen. That's your confirmation that you're fully signed out. Your scheduled meetings and settings remain tied to your account, but the device you're using will no longer have access until you sign in again. This is especially important on shared devices in classrooms, conference rooms, internet cafes, or any place where other people might sit down after you. A few practical tips will make this smoother. Avoid signing out while you're in a live meeting or recording, because doing so will remove you from the session instantly. Remember that closing the app window or a browser tab isn't the same as signing out. The session may still be active in the background. Always use the sign out option from your profile to fully end the session. If you rely on a password manager or your organization's single sign-on, be sure you'll be able to authenticate again before you sign out, so you're not locked out when you need to get back in. If you manage multiple Zoom accounts, signing out is also the cleanest way to switch. After you sign out, you can sign back in with a different account whenever you're ready. Keep in mind that signing out affects the current app or browser you're using. If you've signed in on another device or browser, that separate session can remain active until you sign out there too. That's all there is to it. Click your profile in the upper right, then choose Sign Out. Do this anytime you finish using a shared device, and your Zoom account stays secure and your workflow stays tidy. Thanks for watching.